These are the elevators at the Hillsborough County Center parking garage in Tampa, Florida. Kone's with Innovation Bruiser. Formerly Series 220, but they got modded. There we are at 9. Machine room is up here. Actually, 2 different machine rooms, one for each elevator. Can you see the other one running? I don't think so. I think it's down at the bottom. But you can see the ropes right there. Let's go down the one. £3,500 capacity seat down there. See if we can get the other elevator. We got the one on the right again. These elevators are kind of busy, but there is something that we didn't look at on this elevator. Let's go up to 9 again. We never watched the indicators. How about we do that? Send this one down and get the other one from up here at 9. We can also get a good view of Tampa from up here. Take a look. The Hillsborough County Center building is this one right up here. And we got our elevator. Again, Innovation Bruiser. These elevators aren't even that old. I believe installed in 2005. But they've already been modded. And look at this, the indicator says 8. Let's just watch the indicator going down. Skips a lot of floors. Getting on, but it did say going up, so someone might have called it. Let's watch the view this time. Back to 1. Just like before, the indicator says 8. £3,500 capacity like the other one. before we we end the video, there is one last thing I want to show you. And that's, notice how the indicator says 01. Let's see if that glitches. Already it's showing a lot more floors. Yeah, it's gonna go up to 9 just fine. Alright, that'll be it.